Welcome back to Mathematics by AC Okocha. Today I am starting off inequalities, and I'm not going to start from the very beginning because I believe everyone should at least know a normal equation. So I will just say equation, continuation of equations and all that. So I will start from here. You will still understand it. We have not gotten to where it is confusing. Starting from the next class, I will begin to show you why people avoid inequality and why people get confused with inequality, especially assigning the answer. But for normal equation, linear equation or fractional solving equation like this, solving inequality equation like this is the same rule. The same rule is applicable like in the normal equation. So, for instance, what do we do here? Solution. You notice that we have two sides here now. We have this and this. So we can start by changing this one to improper fraction. So we retain this the way it is now. We have that 2s minus 1 all over what? All over 3 is less than or equal to, this time this is 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. 7 over 2 then plus the whole of this bracket times 1 because it's times in the up 1. You will have 3s plus 2 over 4. Now, listen carefully. In inequality, there are different ways to solve inequality, just like there are different ways to solve equation. Some people may prefer to find the LCM and then cross multiply. Some people may prefer to multiply through with the common denominator. What do I mean by the common denominator? The common denominator, the LCM of 3, 2, and 4 is 12. Times this one by 12, times this one by 12, times this one by 12. Then you have a linear equation. It's easier to solve. In fact, that is what I recommend. That is the best approach. I get what I'm saying? As much as you can, avoid cross-multiplying in inequality. And it starts now. As much as you can, avoid what will make you to say you want to cross-multiply. Because when you have an algebraic term in the denominator and you cross-multiply, you are going to fail it. So avoid cross-multiplication. Use alternative method. Like, instead of finding the LCM and then cross-multiply, what is the common denominator? The common denominator now is 12. So you times this one with 12 like this. 12 with times 2s minus 1 over 3 less than or equal to 12 with times 7 over 2 plus 12 with times 3s plus 2 over 4. Does that make sense? Now, we have multiplied through with the common denominator, which is 12. So 3 going to 12 is 4. So here we have 4 with times 2s minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 going to 12 is 6. 6 with times 7. Then plus 4 going to 12 will give us what? 3. 3 with times 3s plus 2. So you now have a linear this thing. It's easier to solve like this. So we just open the bracket. We have that 8s 4 times minus 1 minus 4 less than or equal to 6 times 7 is what? Will give us what? 42. Plus 3 times 3s, 9s, 3 times 2. We'll have 6. Let's bring s to one side and let's bring s. Now, again, listen. You can choose to bring s to any side. Your answer will still be correct. You can choose to bring s this way. You can choose to bring s this way. It doesn't matter where you are taking s to. Your answer will be correct. In fact, let me show you the two. For the purpose of learning, let me show you the two. So for this one, I'm going to bring s this side. For this one, I'm going to bring s this side. So let's first bring s this way. So we have 8s minus 9x is less than, what is remaining here? Is remaining 42 plus 6. Then this come here will give us plus 4. This one come here just like in equal to, when this one cross here to turn to 4. So this minus this will give us what? will give us minus x. Minus s is the same thing as minus 1x. Is less than or equal to this plus this is 10. 10 plus 42 will give us what? Will give us 52. Now you can't leave this like this. To do away with this minus 1, you divide both sides by minus 1. And anytime you divide both sides by negative or multiply both sides by negative, the sign will change to the opposite direction. So if you have this now, minus 1s over minus 1, this sign will change to this other side. Then you have 52 over minus 1. So the final answer is s is greater than or equal to minus 52. That is the final answer. S is greater than or equal to minus 52. Now, someone will say, what if I bring s to this side? Let's see. So this side, there is minus 4 already. Now, this 42 come here, you have minus 42, and you have minus 6 is less than or equal to 9s minus 8x. Of course, all this one will still give you what? Minus 52 is less than or equal to x. Now, do you know that this and this is the same? Now, let me tell you why this and this is the same. For this one, the only difference between this and this now is that s is starting here. So, if s starts this one, what you need to take note of is the pointed side. The arrow side, the pointed side is facing 52. So, if s starts like this, make sure that the pointed side is also facing 52. So, it will turn like this. The pointed side must still face minus 52. So the answer is the same. Does that make sense now? So it does not matter, but always make sure you present your answer, the variable, the inequality sign before this. Don't leave your answer like this. Leave your answer like this. Are you getting it? I beg you, please don't miss from next. Now look at, they say we should also represent it on a number line. Simple. If you want to represent your number line, you just come and draw your line. Then locate the value. We are dealing with negative value, so let's put minus 52 here. This is x here. The variable is x. So 0 will be somewhere here. And this side is positive. So because it is greater than or equal to, when you go up like this, you shade here. If it's only greater than, you leave it like this and you move to this direction. If it's only greater than, but since it's greater than or equal to, you shade here. You shade it. You get what I'm saying? That means minus 52 inclusive. Minus 52 inclusive. Call it minus 52 inclusive. Are you getting it now? So this is the number line that represents this. Is that clear? Because you still need to know how to represent a number line. There are other ways to present answers, which I will start showing you from